Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2019 GMC Terrain and I will show you how to set up a Wi-Fi hotspot and how to connect your phone to the Wi-Fi. This video will apply to second generation of GMC Terrains made from 2018 all the way up to 2024. Okay, now first I will mention you can set up the Wi-Fi and connect your phone to it, but in order for the Wi-Fi to work you will need a data plan with the OnStar, and I believe it's like 20 or 25 bucks per month, and then you can use that Wi-Fi. Okay, now to connect, what you will do, first you will press the settings to enter the Wi-Fi hotspot menu, and now select the Wi-Fi hotspot here in the drop-down menu. And here you have the Wi-Fi services, Wi-Fi hotspot off. So now you will enable it, and this will be your Wi-Fi name. Now the next step, what you will do, you will have to go to your phone, find that network name, and then enter this password. And I will continue this video by recording the screen on my phone. Select connections and then the Wi-Fi on the top. So right now I'm connected to my local network, which is 2wire484 at my office. Now under the available networks you should be able to find the one on the vehicle screen, and this is the one, Direct 7H My GMC. Now select this. In my case it says internet not available. That's just because I don't have a data plan with the OnStar, but I can still connect to the network. Now it's gonna ask me for the password, and the password, as it says on the vehicle screen, is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Connect. Now this will now take maybe up to 10 seconds. And now again I'm getting the message, internet may not be available because I don't have a data with the OnStar, but I can still connect without a problem. And that's it. And now you can also confirm here on the screen, one device connected to Wi-Fi hotspot, and that's my Samsung S22. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.